This video is on different types of energy sources, specifically renewable and non-renewable energy sources. We looked at these two categories. So you have your non-renewable energy sources. This is what we use now predominantly to power our homes and our cars. You have things like coal, natural gas, nuclear energy, and oil. These are all types of fossil fuels. They call them fossil fuels because they come from different things that were once living that have died and decayed, broken down to their elements, and then over time and pressure and temperature, they've changed into these different types of energy sources. These are not very good for the environment, which is why we are really now relying on renewable energy sources, and then also the source that we have, so we don't have as much of these anymore because we're using so much so quickly that the earth cannot replenish the amount that we need. So in recent years, they've turned to renewable energy sources. You have solar powered, water, hydroelectric, wind, geothermal, and biomass. These are a lot better for the environment. These are plentiful. We have a lot of different types of energy that we can use with these, and so that's what we're really leaning towards now in terms of energy and to power our different homes and businesses and cars. Okay, we also can look at the different types of energies and classify them as being either kinetic or potential. So you have radiant energy, you have electrical, chemical, sound, thermal, nuclear, mechanical, and magnetic.